May token. May token. Is the May token thing true or not? Is there a market for this? I feel that after the arrival of OpenCloud AI Lobster. For the May token. Ordinary people are doing it. Middlemen are also doing it. And even the agents of big companies.
Even Tencent's Sean Jian Gui G.
G'ing and other big companies.
Why do they install it for free?
Lobster is selling tokens. Is to consume tokens. Is this thing reliable or not? Actually, some time ago, I felt that token was very powerful. And very powerful.
But after my 2-month internal testing,
I found that I was using Lobster, relatively advanced in using it, but I'm busy with work every day.
I don't have much time to go fishing for lobsters. It can really help you solve long and heavy work.
Heavy work and so on is still in the primary stage. The first one is the amount of tokens I consume myself.
Actually won't exceed 100 yuan a day.
There is a token consumption ranking in the whole system. The token consumption ranking, I can't even make it to the list.
You spend thousands of yuan a day at most.
It's very easy for me. In the app market, for this token, such a strong application, big companies sell. I can understand Tencent selling tokens, right? Because Tencent is for big BM. And the future market, I can understand Zhou Hongyi selling tokens.
Zhou Hongyi also belongs to 360.
But I don't understand why middlemen sell tokens. Now I finally understand.
Why? We talked to the AI National.
Many of industry and information, I said, selling tokens. The first one is whether I can do it. I also want to buy. I said, this thing is so mysterious and amazing. And it's so awesome. I want to do it. Yes, it's okay. What about the second one? As for token, according to my own usage, whether there is a state of everyone being a soldier, is that okay? He said it was actually possible. He told me that
To aspects of token consumption.
the first aspect is for large groups,
When doing personnel layoffs and optimization.
they actually need tokens, such as customers, such as recruitment, personnel,
And so on, standardized TRD operating procedures on the computer can be replaced by Lobster. Such large companies will conduct large-scale centralized procurement. And after they use it well,
It's definitely cheaper. After you use it, well, it will definitely be cheaper. What is the second core? My talk has two groups of people. The second is Xiaobai.
he doesn't know. But when you use Lobster, you still need to rate charge, even if it's 100 yuan.
I said it's useless. He has to charge 100. These are two ways to consume tokens.
I asked this teacher of AIGC about this.
I said you have a whole platform grafting software, a grafting software for the entire platform.
I asked about the conversion rate of tokens.
I asked him what was going on. He said it might be a discount. I can't tell you the answer. I still give him a discount according to the tradition. He said, if $1 is equal to 7 RMB normally, it means you spend 7 yuan to buy $1 token. If you are a small agent, you can get a 55% discount. What does 5.5 discount mean?
It means you spend 5.5 yuan.
To buy $1 token, if it's a large one, over 100,000, you can get a 30% discount. What does it mean? That means you spend 3 yuan, you can buy $1 token. This is actually not a discount.
Then, if you have millions of tokens,
Or even over 100 million tokens. You can buy $1 token, you can buy $1 token. There is no such thing in the market.
and you can buy foreign computing power, for example, the domestic open cloud we are using now,
And domestic work buddy, and so on. Tencent's calling of large models, language model, are all domestic models,
in fact, few people use their own ChatGPT.
and so on.
But if you call foreign large models,
You have to buy foreign tokens. That's a different thing. So if there are many people who do token and no token, because I just learned about it, I think this market is quite awesome. Everyone can also communicate more. 赵颖